Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the camper. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a couple things you should be doing before you open up the pop-up camper in the spring. This is the first time I'm opening up mine, so I'm going to show you what I do before I open it. So let's get to it. All right, so in the back of the camper here, you have your sprocket down here behind this guard and a chain. I don't know if you can see that. And then you have another sprocket up here with your chain, and this is how you open up your camper when you jack it up. All right, so I got some WD-40 here, and I'm just going to soak the, really soak the sprocket up there. And then in here, I'm really going to soak the sprocket as well. There you go. Then after the WD-40, you're going to want to put in some white lithium grease just to keep it lubricated over the summer. So let's do that here. Get in there. There you go. And up here. All right, there we go. Now there are a few things underneath to grease as well, and I'll show you that next. All right guys, so after you lubricate and grease the crank in the back, you're going to want to come and take this plate off of your whiffle tree here. There's a few bolts. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but it's worth it to do. As you can see, mine is already nice and lubricated, but I'm going to hit it with some WD-40 anyway again. Okay, there we go. All right, sorry about that. Okay, and you're also going to want to inspect your pulley system here. Mine has lots of grease. I'm going to hit it with WD-40 again. There you go. Now, you also have a pulley here and a pulley over here. This one I just put some WD-40, no grease, because I don't want it to go on the material on the outside. So let's just hit that like that. There's 4 of these, one on every corner. It does that up real nice. And this one here as well, it does that up with WD-40. And then come here to your support stands. You can see mine have a lot of grease on them, and so I'm just going to hit these with some WD-40 here. There we go. All right, so you also have on the way out, before you get out, this is your propane connection here to the high pressure stove outside. This is greased up and lubricated. It's good enough. So you can just look around. You know, here you have your brake system, your brake drum system. You can spray some lubrication in that too if you want, and just have an inspection around, you know, all underneath to make sure everything is good, no rusted parts. And yeah, so that's it. You also have another connection up here. So just basically look around, do your connections, and make sure you keep them lubricated, and you shouldn't have any problems. So while I was sitting here, I forgot about this section of the whiffle tree. So I'm going to nail that. Get some WD-40. All right, there we go. All right, now we're ready to jack her up. All right, guys, so I got it, the pop-up camper jacked up now after I did all the lubrication. Did an inspection, everything looks good. Once you get some grease on there, you know, you can do it once in the spring, once in the fall, that'll be fine. You should be good to go. So after you got the underneath looked at, you want to come and check out your A-frame here in the front. Just put some WD-40 on this lock here, spray some up where the ball goes. You know, you got this hook here that's keeping the wires together. Put a little bit in your jack here. This will flow down. There we go. Wherever you see that, you know, you might need some lubrication. There's a little rust starting to collect here on the bracket. I'm going to hit that. Come over here. And then also your propane here, your connection here. Hit that with some WD-40. There we go. Good thing about WD-40 is it drives out the moisture as well. Here's another connection in the front for your propane. I'm going to hit that. And just have an inspection around. Look at everything, make sure everything's okay. There we go. Hit the lock here again. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'm going to end it there. So the spring pop-up camper opening is now complete. There's still a lot of work to do. Anyway, if you're new, please subscribe. If you want to leave comments below, go ahead. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit the bell notification for new videos. Until next time.